Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll discuss the upcoming 2025 car tax changes in the UK. These changes may impact your finances and the environment. Adjustments to vehicle excise duty, VED, will be based on emissions, aims to promote greener vehicle choices, and align with government sustainability goals. Important for both current owners and potential buyers to understand what's changing. Next, we dive into what is car tax. Car tax, officially known as Vehicle Excise Duty, VED, is a tax paid for owning and using a vehicle on public roads in the UK. The amount of car tax you pay is primarily based on your vehicle's CO2 emissions. Lower emissions typically mean lower tax rates. There are different tax bands that categorize vehicles based on their emissions levels, with each band having a specific tax rate. Car tax applies to various fuel types, including petrol, diesel, electric, and hybrid vehicles, often with incentives for greener choices. Payment can be made annually, biannually, or monthly, and it's required to keep your vehicle legally registered and insured. Failing to pay car tax can result in penalties, fines, and potential legal action, including the ability to clamp or impound the vehicle. The revenue generated from car tax contributes to road maintenance and infrastructure development in the UK. Next, we explore key changes in 2025 car tax regulations. New car tax bands will be introduced for emissions categories. Electric vehicles will see changes in their tax rates. Higher rates imposed on high-emission petrol and diesel vehicles. Incentives for low-emission and hybrid vehicles will remain intact. Additional fees may apply for newly registered high-emission vehicles. Current owners must reassess tax liabilities based on updates. Simplified payment options will be implemented for all drivers. Environmental goals will drive future adjustments to car tax regulations. Public awareness campaigns will educate drivers about these changes. Regular reviews of tax rates will ensure alignment with policies. Following that, we dive into who will be affected. Changes to car tax will create challenges and opportunities for drivers. Current owners may face tax hikes. Buyers must factor costs. High-emission vehicle owners will see significant tax increases. Low-emission and electric vehicle users could benefit from lower rates and incentives. A petrol SUV's annual tax might rise from £205 to over £400. An electric vehicle buyer may pay $0 in tax during the first year. These scenarios emphasize the financial implications of choosing vehicles wisely. Next, we explore environmental goals. Behind the changes, the UK government aims to significantly lower vehicle-related carbon emissions nationwide. Tightened vehicle emission regulations encourage cleaner, more efficient automotive manufacturing practices. Car tax structures favor low-emission and electric vehicles, encouraging environmentally friendly consumer choices. Align with the UK's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2050. Next, we explore tips for car owners navigating the changes. Regularly check government updates regarding car tax regulations. Use online calculators to estimate your vehicle's new tax. Explore low-emission vehicles that might save you money. Understand your car's emissions classification for accurate tax assessment. Factor in potential tax changes when buying a new vehicle. Research available grants or tax reductions for electric vehicles. Next, we delve into how to save car tax in 2025 in the UK OPT for cars with lower CO2 emissions to save. Electric vehicles often have reduced or zero car tax. Research available grants and subsidies for eco-friendly vehicles. Monitor changes in car tax rules and regulations regularly. Check eligibility for exemptions or reductions in car tax. Assess if switching to a greener vehicle is beneficial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.